Creating an outdoor dining area is a beautiful way to extend your living space into nature, offering a serene and refreshing environment for meals, gatherings, or quiet relaxation. Whether it's a backyard, garden, patio, or deck, designing a functional and inviting dining area outdoors allows people to reconnect with the natural world while enjoying food and conversation. One of the most charming and durable choices for outdoor dining furniture is log furniture, crafted from whole logs or thick slabs of natural wood. Hello there. Welcome back to Kuki Decor. In today's video, we are diving into the heart of nature-inspired outdoor dining with charming log table design ideas that bring rustic elegance to your backyard, garden, or patio. Whether you're planning a cozy family meal under the trees or hosting friends for a sunset dinner, these log dining tables blend the raw beauty of natural wood with timeless craftsmanship. Stick around as we explore design inspirations that are not only beautiful and durable, but also sustainable and uniquely crafted to elevate your outdoor living space. Log furniture offers a wide range of advantages that make it an exceptional choice for outdoor dining areas. First and foremost, it is incredibly strong and weather-resistant. Logs, especially when crafted from hardwoods like cedar, redwood, or teak, naturally resist moisture, pests, and decay. This makes log furniture ideal for enduring the unpredictable elements of outdoor environments, including sun exposure, heavy rains, temperature fluctuations, and even snow. Properly sealed and maintained, log dining tables and benches can last for generations without warping or cracking. Additionally, the heaviness and stability of log furniture provide excellent resistance to wind or accidental movement, perfect for open-air spaces where lighter furniture might shift or topple easily. Aesthetically, log furniture brings a timeless rustic charm that enhances the natural ambience of outdoor settings. Each piece is one of a kind, showcasing unique knots, grains, and organic curves that add warmth, texture, and character to any patio, garden, or backyard. This handcrafted look appeals to those who value authenticity and a closer connection to nature. Whether you're aiming for a cozy woodland vibe, a lodge-inspired retreat, or a minimalist outdoor space with earthy undertones, log furniture serves as a beautiful focal point that integrates seamlessly with greenery, stonework, or natural landscapes. Another key advantage lies in its eco-friendliness. Many log furniture artisans use sustainably harvested or reclaimed wood, ensuring that your furniture choice supports responsible forestry practices. By choosing log furniture, you're embracing a form of craftsmanship that values the life cycle of natural materials, reducing waste and promoting long-term environmental health. Unlike mass-produced plastic or synthetic options that contribute to landfill overflow and chemical pollution, log furniture is biodegradable, non-toxic, and created with minimal environmental impact. Moreover, log furniture is incredibly low maintenance. With occasional cleaning and seasonal resealing or oiling, it retains its natural beauty and structural integrity for decades. It also ages beautifully, developing a rich patina that enhances its rustic appeal over time. For homeowners or property managers, this means reduced upkeep costs and more time spent enjoying the space rather than maintaining it. Additionally, the versatility in design allows log furniture to be paired with various outdoor accessories, cushions, lanterns, centerpieces, or pergolas, making it easy to create a personalized and stylish dining atmosphere. Functionally, log dining sets are available in many configurations: round, rectangular, or custom-shaped tables with matching benches or chairs, allowing you to accommodate both intimate gatherings and large family feasts. Their sturdy design supports heavy dishware, grills, and centerpieces without worry. Many designs even include extensions, umbrella holes, or added storage to enhance outdoor dining convenience. Ultimately, choosing log furniture for an outdoor dining area is about more than just visual appeal, it's a statement of lifestyle. It reflects a desire for durability, sustainability, and authentic design rooted in nature. Whether placed under a pergola, on a stone patio, or beside a cozy fire pit, log furniture transforms your outdoor dining space into a welcoming, grounded, and enduring retreat that invites connection, relaxation, and memorable moments with loved ones. Log dining tables, with their organic texture and solid build, bring rustic warmth that harmonizes perfectly with open-air surroundings. Unlike mass-produced patio furniture made of plastic or synthetic materials, log furniture stands out with its raw, authentic character and long-lasting strength. These pieces are often handcrafted, highlighting the knots, grains, and imperfections of the wood, which only enhance their rustic appeal. A log dining set can withstand varying weather conditions when properly treated and sealed, making it a smart investment for those seeking both aesthetic charm and functionality. Paired with matching log benches or rugged wooden chairs, the setup becomes a natural extension of the landscape, ideal for family dinners, garden parties, or peaceful morning coffees. The combination of earthy materials, outdoor air, and intentional design transforms even the simplest meal into a memorable experience. Whether set under a canopy of trees or beside a blooming garden, log furniture adds timeless character and eco-friendly elegance to any outdoor dining space. Incorporating log furniture into an outdoor dining area is not just a design choice, it's a lifestyle statement that embraces nature, craftsmanship, and longevity. These pieces offer far more than their rustic good looks. They represent a deeper appreciation for the organic world and timeless living. When you choose log dining tables and seating, you're choosing furniture that is deeply rooted, literally and figuratively, in strength, tradition, and sustainability. Unlike synthetic or mass-produced patio furniture, log furniture tells a story. Each knot, grain line, and curve in the wood reflects the life of a tree that once stood tall, giving your outdoor dining space a narrative that plastic or metal can never replicate. These natural textures create an immediate sense of warmth and authenticity, helping your outdoor area feel welcoming, grounded, and visually connected to the surrounding landscape. Whether placed in a backyard, under a pergola, beside a pond, or near a campfire setting, log furniture seamlessly blends into its environment while standing out as a centerpiece of natural beauty. More importantly, log furniture stands the test of time, both in construction and style. Its solid, weather-resistant build ensures it can handle harsh outdoor conditions for years, while its classic design ensures it never goes out of fashion. You're not just buying furniture, you're investing in heirloom quality pieces that will host countless meals, celebrations, and conversations under the open sky. From its eco-conscious origins to its low-maintenance needs and strong visual presence, log furniture enhances outdoor dining in every way. It allows you to dine closer to nature, create meaningful moments with family and friends, and cultivate a space that reflects rustic elegance and practical comfort. In a world where trends come and go, log furniture remains a timeless tribute to nature and enduring craftsmanship, a perfect companion to any outdoor lifestyle. Thank you for watching. Rustic log tables bring not just functionality, but also a deep connection to nature right into your outdoor space. Their raw textures and natural shapes create an inviting dining experience that modern furniture simply can't replicate. If you found inspiration in these charming designs, be sure to hit that like button, share your favorite table style in the comments, and subscribe to Kuki Decor for more creative wood decor ideas. Until next time, keep decorating with heart, soul, and a touch of the wild.